What's going on today, YouTube? First project working on out here in the shop. I got the old canopy frame that used to go right where the grills are. Well, it had fabric top, but I happen to have some steel left over from the building, and I just happened to come out here and bring it all in here, and just happened to put a mark that 7.5 inches. That way I'll have my overhang on each. And yeah, I'll have to cut that. I'll have to come down here, have to mark this. I could probably mark that before I cut that. That way I just boom and then chop over boom. Straightened up my toolbox over here this morning, so it's a little bit better than what it was. Got my grinder, so I'll have to swap out a cut-off wheel or something over here. I think Dad might have some better ones, and I could zip that. I got self-tapping screws. I could put a sheet on, I can measure for the other one, put that in, bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. And I think we'll do our thing. So that's the plan. Check out my video. I actually just uploaded it like 10 minutes ago. So, or well, actually, I'll show you right now. Well, that's the handsome fella right there. That's me when I was in the Army during COVID. I made that mask. But yeah, it's uploading right now. But that's doing this out here, doing the pavers and all that, and showing you guys the future projects. So here's what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you guys off this, and I'm gonna put you on that and let you guys watch me cut that. And figured I'd bring this in here. I got the scaffolding, I can lower down and I can get over there to the top and do everything, or I could just use the ladder. But you see how I get sidetracked and I start doing this and I do that, and that's why my videos you don't ever see me actually doing a lot of stuff, because I'll be doing that and then this, then that, and well, anyways, yeah, watch me do this. Alright guys, check that out. Messed up a couple times. It's not the most ideal, but it's fairly straight. About as straight as this gonna be. So I gotta get this sheet up there, measure how much over I'll have to cut off, because I'll have to overlap a rib. And I probably need to put it this way, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have because the one side has the flat edge, but I believe I'm going to put the flat edge on this back piece right here, because I'll have to cut for the front either way. Well, this is actually the front, but I'll put that up there, and then I'll cut the sharp end that's not going to be factory kind of on the back. But I'll get to it. Let's go. Alright guys, show you a little bit of progress. You guys see me cut the sheet. I got it up here. I got it clamped in to where this flat little lip will land right there. I gotta scoot that back just a hair, but I got about a 1/2 inch overhang. Same with down here, got about a 1/2 inch overhang, got that laying in there, so very lip of it will be screwed down right here. Right there, and right there. And then, you know, have it coming down here, down the center, and then I gotta cut the other sheet for right here. But I'm gonna get this screwed down, it's set for the last row of screws, and then I'll get this cut, get this up there, and we'll get it good. Alright guys, check it out. Got it done. There it is. It's nothing too fancy, but it helped fix 2 problems we had. Extra metal laying around and extra cover over the grill to make it last longer. I mean, if I had a little bit shorter self-tapping screws, I wouldn't have came through the top right there, but besides that, oh yeah. And just turn your head and don't look at that one. We won't worry about that. But yeah, there you go guys. I figured I'd give you guys a little video today and get some stuff done around here. Hope you all have a happy New Year's, and hope you all go into 2025 with a good attitude and make the best of it. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.